Every premium wool sweater begins with soft fleece, carefully collected from healthy sheep, through safe annual shearing.
Each bundle is carefully sorted so that only the finest fibers continue to the next stage. The wool is thoroughly washed to remove dust, grease, and impurities before textile production begins. Powerful carding machines align every fiber, creating the perfect foundation for smooth, high-quality yarn.
The aligned fibers are spun into strong yet incredibly soft wool yarn. Advanced dyeing technology creates rich colors, designed to stay vibrant for years. Computer-controlled knitting machines produce every sweater panel with exceptional precision. Experienced technicians carefully join every panel to create a comfortable and durable sweater.
Special finishing treatments enhance softness, shape, and long-lasting comfort. Each sweater is folded, packaged, and prepared for shipment to fashion stores around the world.
From natural wool to a premium sweater, every step reflects precision, craftsmanship, and modern textile innovation.